Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, the 15th of July, Sunday, I hope everybody is having a great weekend. This is a technical analysis video explaining the levels and direction bias for few cryptocurrencies of the entire market. Before we get into the analysis, I would like to inform you that this video is produced and provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute a financial advice under any circumstance. For more information about the disclaimer, I have attached a web address into the video description just below. Let's start with Monero against the Euro, which at this stage it is testing and breaking this descending trendline since December 2017. At this stage, I would like to see an extension to 133, ideally with some acceleration. From there, we're gonna see a reaction since it's a supply zone, and then let's see what happens if we break above this supply zone extension all the way up to 274. Let's go to Zerocash, which once again it is forming a bottom over here around the 129, 130s. At this stage, I would like to see an extension all the way up to 171, that is test this descending trend line. If we break above, then most likely we're gonna go all the way up to 200. Most likely from there see a reaction a little bit lower. Probably retest this trend line, the break of this trend line, and from there to 302. Yet we need to wait to see what happens once we get into this descending trend line over here. If we break above, then we continue lower, higher. If we fall, if we stop over here and continue lower, then most likely we're gonna go all the way down to 144 or even retest these lows, and again from there see the next move either to the downside or to the upside. Let's continue with Stellar Lumen, which at this stage has taken this descending trend line and is accelerating higher. Let's see if we can break above 0.2165. If we break above this kind of wedge, we're gonna see an extension up to 0.26. Yet we need to see whether we're gonna be able to continue higher from here. Most likely we're gonna see a reaction a little bit lower towards the 0.19, and from there again most likely see the extension. Yet we have to wait price to get there, see the reaction, and then be able to go the next leg higher. Ethereum Classic has broke above this descending trend line, most likely has retested it, and once we get a break above the recent highs of 16, then most likely we're gonna continue all the way up to 20.96. From there, we're gonna see a reaction a little bit lower and then decide whether we're gonna see a break above the supply zone and another extension higher. EOS, it is still holding inside this descending trend line, channel. At this point, I would like to see a break above the around 6.8. If we see the break above, we're gonna go all the way up to 8.9, and from there a break higher will go to 13.25. Yet it needs some time, so we have to be watching this cryptocurrency a little bit more during the next week. Let's see if we can see a break above the 7.04. If we see the break, then most likely we're gonna see an extension higher. And at some point we might call this correction completed, yet it's too soon, so we have to wait a little bit. First target, see if we can break above this descending trend line. Litecoin, it is holding at the lows at 77.78, still consolidating sideways. We have to wait and see a break above this descending trend line. If we see a break, then most likely we're gonna open next level around the 110. From there, reaction lower, most likely retest a little bit the extension higher, and from there be able to call the next extension higher, up to 160. Yet we have to see a break above this descending trend line, and it has to be in line with some acceleration higher, so we can validate the break and not just a break and continuation into consolidation sideways. Ethereum, I have been saying the recent sessions that this correction, I believe, it has been completed, and at this stage, with this dip, we are correcting this leg with this extension higher. At this stage, we have broke above that descending trend line, came all the way down to retest it. At this stage, we want to see some acceleration higher. If we see new highs above 420.96, then we're gonna open the 614 from here, another reaction, and then gonna be able to call whether we're gonna continue to the upside or see a deeper pullback. Ripple XRP, it's kind of dead over here. It's not reacting. We like first to see a break above this trend line. We might, even if we see the break, we might continue the consolidation sideways. Overall, I expect we need to see some acceleration higher with all the cryptos of the crypto market, and then most likely the Ripple we get some strength and continue into the next level, that is the 0.59. Until then, most likely Ripple will continue into a consolidation phase. Bitcoin has broke above this descending trend line, yet it is not accelerating. I need at this stage to see acceleration above the 6,800. If we see new highs from here, new short-term highs, then most likely gonna go all the way up to 8,040s. From there, another reaction, and most likely then another extension higher. Yet we need some time to see the next few legs. And last, Bitcoin Cash has broke above this descending trend line, yet it hasn't created enough separation from the lows, that is 560s. Let's wait and see some acceleration higher. Short-term highs 709. If we see a break above there, then most likely we're gonna open some more extension to the upside. Yet haven't found any levels so far. Let's wait and see new highs from there. Most likely we're gonna go all the way up to 1,043, and from there to 1,400. Yet we need to wait and see some acceleration to higher, so we can confirm the break of this descending trend line. All right, hope you have enjoyed this technical analysis about the crypto market. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until the next one, wish you a great weekend and take care. Bye bye.